All right, guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to remove background from an image, yeah, without Canva Pro. Yeah, without Canva Pro. So I'm going to show you how to remove an image, a background from an image. Okay, so first thing we need to do, let's get the image that we want to remove the background. Let's get the image, so this one. All right, so import it. Okay, so now this image, for example, as you can see, I want it to be in the middle of this white background. And before then, first of all, let me change the color of my background. Let's use black. Let me get another color that is more better. Sorry. So as you can see now, the background of this image does not correspond with the artboard that we're using, right? It's not corresponding with the artboard we're using. So you can see that it's not really giving. So what we need to do is we need to remove the background of this image. So how do we do that? All right, now let's go to our browser. Go to your browser, either Chrome or any browser you're using on your phone, right? Then on your search bar, search for background remover. Background remover. This is it. So click on it, right? Let's wait for it to load. Then click on this first one here. Click on it. Okay, let's wait for it to load up. My network is really bad, so let's hold on for some time while it's loading. Okay, so here we are. Then once you open it, you will see this. You're going to see this interface. So just click on upload image, right? And then select photo library or wherever your image is. Just select any of them, and then let's select that image. This is it. Click on done. So let's wait for it to load. You will see the magic here now. Okay, boom, guys, this is it. We have successfully removed the background from this image. So next thing, you click on download and just download it to your file, your desktop file. Save. Okay, so let's go back to our Canva. Now we're going to delete this and then import that one that we just removed the background. So let's delete this one. Go to our uploads. So this is it. Imports. Here we are. So as you can see now, there is no background on it. This is corresponding very well with our background. You can use it to do anything. You can fix it anywhere, you understand, without having any issue concerning the background. You see how neat it is. So this is it. This is how to remove a background from an image without Canva Pro. Okay guys, see you in our next class. Bye.